Second placer ng Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11, na si Celmar ibinahagi sa Instagram ang mga sandali mula sa kanyang graduation nitong linggo ika-18 ng Mayo. Sa kanyang mensahe, inamin niyang hindi umano naging madali ang pagsabayin ang pag-aaral at bagong mundo sa showbiz, at muntik na umano siyang sumuko. Ngunit dahil sa suporta at pag-unawa ng mga taong nasa paligid niya, natuloy at natapos din ang lahat. Aniya, balancing academics with a sudden career in entertainment wasn't easy, to the point that I nearly gave up, but your encouragement and understanding made it possible. Now, I'm proud to share that I've graduated from the very school I've attended since nursery #loyalty award. Dagdag pa niya, this school has truly become my second home, and that deep connection motivated me to keep on going. Also, I could graduate alongside the friends I've grown up with. I couldn't have achieved this milestone without each one of you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you all.